Let me quickly talk to you about the system architecture. There are two forms of this architecture. One is cloud-based and the other is hybrid-based. I will explain the details of both of them. Governments across the world are not very comfortable with having all the data in the cloud, but they do understand the advantages of using the cloud. That's the reason for which we had to come up with a hybrid model so that most of the things remain inside the premise, but on a needs basis, whenever they have to analyze something, whenever they have to compute something which is beyond the capabilities of the current private cloud, then they would burst into a public cloud and perform those activities. That's why we had to come up with some kind of a hybrid model which would migrate effortlessly from an on-premise infrastructure to a cloud-based one. And on the cloud too, it could be either a private or a public cloud. Doesn't matter. It would behave the same way. So going in from the top, yeah, this is kind of top-down kind of diagram. So data sources, both real-time and static, were collected using some C# custom code. Microsoft has got a new technology called event hubs. That's more like a queue that we have normally seen in the open source world. So this queue helps us to collect data faster than the rate by which we could write the data. So since the real-time data sources might be coming in at a rate which would be